In this video, I'll introduce you to creating a proposal. In our last topic, we'll take a look at two different ways that we can send out a customer-facing document. One is the quick quote, and then we'll also take a look at various proposal reports. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the quick quote. The quick quote is a shortcut button that is configured under the report settings that points to a report called quote that can be found in the client report section. Let's just take a brief look. We see our simple summary page that says quote with some project and client information, our scope of work, our pricing summary, and remember we spoke about the price adjustments, so we can see the result of those here, the product adjustment, the miscellaneous parts, and the rest of our summary for the project. This quote also has a signature line, and then we get a quick summary of the equipment for the project. Let's take a look at a couple of additional reports. So I'll click Reports, Client, and then we're right here looking at a report called Proposal. I'm going to focus on these proposal style reports, and I'm going to click the one called By Location there. That's a definition is what this is called. So Proposal by Location. First thing we're going to see is a cover page. Right, so we get our standard cover page with some project information, client information, and then we'll go directly into a list of locations with the appropriate equipment shown for each location. Note that the prices we see here are the price of equipment. That's what the proposal style report shows. And we'll continue on to some additional rooms, and then we get a subtotal, which is the equipment subtotal. And then we get our project summary at the bottom, again showing similar pricing to the quick quote. Let's try one more. Let me just describe a few of these. So this was the proposal report. That's just equipment pricing for the line items. Equipment and labor is a very similar report, but with two columns, one for equipment pricing, one for labor price. And then there's the install price report, which the line item pricing is the installation price we talked about before. So that would be equipment, labor, and any adjustments. And then we have some with images. So why don't we run the proposal with images, install price, and I'll again run it by location. This report will look very similar to the original proposal, but will include images of each item. Right, so we have our images, and then the pricing we see here is the installation price. When we get our project subtotal, that is the installation price. And then notice that in this case, we just get the installation price, sales tax, and total. So different options for how you want to present your proposal information to customers. Now that you've been exposed to creating a proposal, to learn more, you can visit the System Integrator Help Center located at docs.dtools.com. When you get there, search for Running Reports to browse some additional topics.